What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got kind of a fun video today. I was kind of looking for ideas, and my buddy Seth mentioned that he does DoorDash, and about an hour away from our house is a pretty good spot to do some door dashing. So I'm like, let's see if we can actually make profit in Panzer, which is an 800 horsepower STi. This thing uses a ton of fuel. I drove in intelligent mode all the way down the mountain to try to conserve fuel. About an hour away, we did go through a quarter tank, and that's all downhill. So we'll see what we can do and then head back up the mountain, see if we can actually make a profit in like 3 to 4 hours out here. We'll see what happens. You excited?
We're not gonna make a profit, bro. That's not happening. I'm sorry. It's not happening.
So for all you guys wondering if you can make profit with a sports car doing DoorDash, well, we're about to find out, but it's not looking good. So I've never done this whole DoorDash thing, but I guess we can just hit dash now.
Dude. Agree. Oh, I've totally read him, I promise. There we go.
All right.
Let's go, let's go. Come on.
Get an order.
Come on, please. Give me an order. Well, crashed my phone. That was the video, guys. Thanks for coming. Oh, there we go. Looking for orders.
Alrighty, so it's about 4 o'clock. We just started. We got our first order, DoorDash. I don't know what y'all call it, but Seth went in to get the food at Taco Bell. Funny enough, we literally just ate here, so they're probably gonna be all confused why he's in there again. We're already under 3/4 tank of fuel. There is an E85 station here. It's a little bit more expensive than the other place I've been filling up, but it is what it is. Realistically, in this kind of small city, I don't think we're gonna make anything, especially with how this thing goes through fuel. But if we do, I'll give it to Seth and we'll make some cool content out of it. So, I want to be a good time. Who's this for, Deborah?
Yeah, Deborah.
Deborah.
Let me get the directions pulled up for Deborah.
Deborah's about to see the sickest Toyota Camry in her life.
Yeah, seriously. Alright, 18 minutes away.
Golly!
Fucking Deborah.
$5 at 18 minutes?
Yeah, right? Fucking.
I'd say that's worth.
Nah, she'll tip good.
18 minutes, that should be like half a tank, so, you know.
Hopefully she tips good. What'd she even get? A Cinnabon Delight coffee and 2 steak Severed burritos. She got what I got. Get your own wave, Deborah.
You know, if the light turns green, that would be really nice. We got food to deliver.
I know, dude. Like, they're so inconsiderate, man.
All right, Deborah, we're en route.
We're on the way, Deborah, don't worry. 17 minutes, 8.8 miles.
So we get a guaranteed whole $5 out of this?
$5.30. That's the guaranteed part. That's DoorDash. Like themselves. Who knows?
Does that include the pre-done tip that she already did?
It depends. We find that out when we get there.
Gotcha. So we might get like an extra $2.
Maybe. Depends on it. Ooh. I didn't hear anything.
So it turns out, first DoorDash order we got, way out here in the sticks, down some off-road dirt roads, freaking ripped up. I think my car is like half destroyed now, but you know, $5 is $5.
$5 is $5, baby.
Whether we use 15 to get there or not, at least we're helping old Deborah out.
Oh, we love you, Deborah. Oh, they got a Cumbies. Let's go.
Damn, we're out here in the town. Like, this is where both of us grew up. Never heard of this town in my life.
Yeah, literally. Like, it's just like up there. Like, you follow that up, see? But 0 shot, you do that. Wish me luck, bud.
Oh, don't forget a drink.
I gotta get the drink and the food. Here.
There you go. Well, boys, we officially lost Seth. We also went through about a quarter tank of fuel getting here, which means probably a quarter tank back, and then hopefully we can get some closer orders. Well, this is a journey.
What the fuck, dude? What are you taking us into?
Leave it to me to have a first DoorDash order like this. Wait, what is this over here? Oh, that's a nice looking building. Maybe the front's up here.
There we go. I have a DoorDash order for Deborah.
Okay,
So just said to leave it here.
that's fine.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
So what do we get, $6 out of that?
Yeah, $6 for the weirdest experience of my life. You know, that's not too bad.
I think we used probably 10 of fuel. So
We only lost $4.
We made like $30.
Yeah,
I think.
if you're delusional.
All right, we're looking for orders again.
Let's go.
Hey, anyone want to order some DoorDash?
Yeah, around here though. Please.
What if I order some DoorDash? Then it looks like we're doing something. What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
He saw you out videoing. I'm like, we gotta stop by.
Yeah, dude. I was like, I gotta like get it going by, man. It's so sick.
Thank you.
I seen the build on Facebook.
Yeah.
You got a lot, like so much onto it. It's so sick.
There you go.
Oh my God, dude, that's so sick. So insane.
No, we're filming a video essentially just going out and DoorDash and see if we can actually make money in this thing. But it gets like 5 miles to the gallon, so not ideal.
Every couple seconds, gotta fill it back up, you know?
Exactly. All right, boys, finally got another order after sitting for like, what, 25 minutes?
Some shit.
But we're going to McDonald's.
Yeah, buddy.
Which is literally on the other side of this road.
Drop-off location's gonna be in Connecticut. For $2, baby. Let's go.
We got $2 guaranteed for a 50-mile drive. This is the business to be in. I tell you.
This one's for McKaylee M.
McKaylee?
McKaylee M.
McKaylee.
No, McKaylee. They specified the drink to be in the bag. She got a Dr. Pepper and it's in the bag.
Ain't no way.
Yeah, dude. All right.
That shit spills all over my back seat. I'm gonna be big mad.
I'll get directions to McKaylee. Oh, they're 2 minutes away. What?
Let's go. See, this is the DoorDash I like.
Yeah, there you
And then
go.
if she left like a $3,000 tip, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, right.
Oh, okay.
All right.
All right, bud.
Come on, man. You
All
can
right, I'm tired of getting passed by Honda Fits.
Yeah, right.
Brother.
We got shit to do.
I got food to deliver to McKaylee. Look at that, 2 successful orders. Boys, I just put out on my story that we're doing DoorDash in Hudson and we got a high pay order, so maybe one of you guys help me out.
Yeah, literally.
Can't see anything behind me because my mirrors are so damn small.
It's back to McDonald's, by the way.
Let's go, right across the street.
Yeah, baby. We gotta be fast so they tip big. Pick up by 5:25.
2 minutes.
Yeah, goddamn.
Homie, I was across the street and it's still longer than 2 minutes.
Seriously. I was across the street and it's still tight.
Why DoorDash so stressful? I got you right up front this time, brother.
Yeah, baby.
Here we go. This guy slams my door one more time. Alexander?
No, Alexandra.
Oh, 3 females today, huh?
Yeah. 3 minutes away, baby.
Let's go.
High paying order for 3 minutes away. Come on.
This one actually might make something off of.
Yeah.
Left onto Fairview Avenue.
Yes, sir. Oh, right before. Oh, he's videotaping it. He was fucking videoing that shit, dude. He loved that. Oh shit, you gotta take a left here.
Right here?
Yeah. Sorry, I got a little too wrapped up in the cool.
If only it wasn't on intelligent mode.
Yeah, right?
It still spun him.
Alright. High paying. We'll see. We'll see how high paying it is. Alright, I couldn't even see the tip for that one because another one came in that's $15 guaranteed.
Let's
so.
go, let's send it. 15 bucks is 15 bucks.
Pick up from I've Got Chills.
Where's that? All right, boys, we're picking up now.
Yeah, baby.
Let's
Got
go.
a shake and some chicken parm subs.
No shake in a bag?
No shake in a bag.
Yeah, that looks pretty
Alright,
good.
so we are 15 minutes from this guy.
Okay.
So we're going back onto Healy Boulevard.
Are we going back to the rehab center?
At least this guy's paying good.
So this one is like 15 bucks, so actually like worth the trip, but it's taking us right through the same road as last time where we went to the middle of nowhere place. And this car does not like that road because it is all chewed up. But hey, you know, $15 can replace a lot of parts on this car.
Hey man, $5 is $5. What would you do for 15?
You know, now that I'm looking at it, I don't think there's a single thing on this car. Oh, maybe this, no, that was 40. Yeah, you know, it might replace like a key fob. Hey, I didn't, you know, you never know when you need a new key fob. Guys, you never know, I might come home with a Lambo.
Dude, imagine.
Yo, what if Mr. Beast orders?
I don't think Mr. Beast is around Hudson right now.
You know where Mr. Beast is around?
What?
Right where I am in North Carolina.
Really?
Yeah.
That's fucking awesome.
You do DoorDash over by, yeah, on that eastern side of North Carolina. Might just frickin' get Mr.
Imagine
Beast.
tipping my DoorDash driver $3 million. Holy shit!
I can get a new Camry for that.
I can get a brand new 01 Camry with this. I'd do that too. I'd have them factory make me a 01 Camry exactly how they used to.
If you guys aren't getting the Camry joke, Seth drives like an old Camry and he does all this DoorDash with. So his phone is registered, or his DoorDash account is registered with the Camry. And we're obviously not driving a Camry right now,
Yeah,
so
no.
it's a weird Camry that rolls up to these people's houses.
They're not ready for it. Yes, sir.
Alright, how much we make?
So that guy, DoorDash paid us $4 and he tipped $11.50.
Let's go.
We're up to $30 so far.
There you go.
Oh, hell yeah. Jesus. How much money have you sunk into that thing?
Too much?
Way too much. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. You gotta have the purple turbo to boost your...
Exactly, you know, it's like 5 extra horsepower.
What the fuck? That's cool as fuck. I like that.
Met some cool guys in one of the new 86s. Pulled up next to them. Said what up, but now we got another order at McDonald's. We got a guaranteed $3.27. So
yeah, baby. We're balling. We're rolling in it.
That'll fill up another 156 of my fuel tank. Right. Look right here.
The customer requested you hand them the order. They added the following instructions. Hand it to me. Please do not leave it at the door.
Okay. Good luck, buddy.
Sounds like a plan. Yeah, I'm gonna get shot.
You did it.
$1 tip. Look at how scared you look.
Well, boys, we made our $35-ish for the day to fill up $80 worth of fuel.
I'd say it was worth it. Look at her. It was worth it.
Look at my matching clothes today. We got the brown hat, the white, black, and gray hoodie, the blue shorts with an American flag, to the black and white shoes. I mean,
Look at this shitty fucking car. Hey, you can see me.
it's crazy because it's pretty dirty. Oh,
Oh, dude, come on.
Did I spill it?
No. But
Yeah,
you
that was pretty good.
You almost did.
Alright, hold on. And you're distracting me.
Yeah, sorry, man. I'm the shittiest cameraman you've ever hired. That's what it sounds like when I piss.
That's quite the stream.
Dude, you have no clue. I have like biblical levels of flooding in the morning.
I'm gonna leave all this in.
Go for it, dog. I got no shame.
Alright, boys, just filled up with E85. We filled up the 3 cans as well as the car. I think we made what, like $35-ish?
Yeah, probably 35, 38, give or take total.
Alright, so we'll give all that to Seth. Appreciate you for coming out with me, buddy.
Woo!
So-
Let's go, we rolling in it, baby.
$33. You know, go buy yourself something nice.
Yeah, $33 for the job that I do every day. Thank you.
I don't know how you make anything off of that, but
I don't
Hey.
spend $80 for fuel. I have an 01 Camry. That's how I make something off of it.
but we gotta head back up the mountain, probably use another 3/4 tank of fuel. But
I
you got
promise.
me.
That'll go good for you. Am I gonna have to get my shit out? What the fuck?
I think my registration is like it's under my back seat.
Oh shit. That's probably not the best place to reach right now.
Oh no, this is it.
Oh, sweet. I was gonna say, maybe don't be reaching under your back
Yeah, at least I was
seat.
only going fucking 65 or whatever.
Yeah.
How's it go, man?
Windows too?
Roll down the back window? Yeah.
Alright. Thank you for pulling over. I assume you know why I stopped you, right?
Yeah.
Do you know exactly how fast you're going?
65, 70?
So you're going 68, alright?
Okay.
Is that the registration, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. And do you have your license, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you headed to?
My house.
Where's your house?
Oh, that's my military. Sorry. In Prattsville.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Alright, so you understand why I stopped you?
Yep.
Right? So you're speeding?
Yep.
Okay. I appreciate you pulling over right away. Okay, I'm just going to run your license and your registration, make sure everything's valid.
Okay.
Alright?
It's like their favorite.
I assume that exhaust is not stock?
No.
Okay.
I'm from Washington. The car is from Washington.
Okay. All right. Let me run your stuff. I'll be right back.
So. Okay. Should I show him the hood?
Yeah, you totally should. Also, that was really funny. I'm sorry, my military ID, sorry.
I actually didn't mean to do that.
Really?
Yeah, no.
Dude, I thought you did. I was like, you're a genius,
No,
dude.
I always keep it on top in my wallet, so like when I go to pull my license, I'm like, oh.
Yeah, that's funny.
I literally jinxed this out. I'm like, you know, I've never gotten pulled over.
Yeah.
Bro, that wasn't 10 seconds
As
later.
soon as you said that, God was like, word?
Like, I think that's a trooper.
Yeah. It's like, shit. Come on.
That was perfect. Great end of the day.
Yeah, right? It would have been funny if you got that part on video. It's like, yo, I've never been pulled over in this. 2 seconds later.
Maybe he said something else about the exhaust. I'm gonna ask if he wants to see the rest of the car.
Yeah.
So guys, it's kind of funny. I know the GoPro wasn't recording, but I was just telling Seth I've never gotten pulled over in this car in 2 years, and then literally come around the next corner, and he got us at 68 and at 55. So that'll be a first.
All right. Couldn't you brake, man? Right? No
Okay.
tickets.
Cool.
Your license, your registration. Slow it down. Drive safe.
Appreciate it, man. Put that back in there.
I'm taking that.
And I'll take the license.
I want that in there now. Solid. Told you.
Roll out.
Hey, don't forget your back window too. Fucking pull out the back. I gotta make sure that you don't have trucks. It's so funny getting pulled over in cars like that, and like this, because you know they think they're cool as fuck.
Yeah.
Like that guy totally thinks this thing's badass.
And now he's like, damn, that
Yeah.
thing's loud.
Yeah, he's like, he just pulls us over again.
He's gonna pull me over again, I bet.
No, no chance. He knows that it's from Washington,
Yeah.
so. And it's registered in Washington.
Yeah.
He literally can't pull you over for that. I don't think.
That was hilarious. I can't believe that was literally not 10 seconds after I said, you know, I've never been pulled over in this car.
Whoopsies. You had to say something. Yeah, you know, I've never won the lottery before, so.
Bro.
Let's get a notification. It's like, hey, your number's hit.
That's so funny. My dad's gonna be like, are you kidding me? We are dropping Seth off.
Yeah,
Appreciate
buddy.
you, buddy,
Much
for the
love,
DoorDash
bud.
account.
Yeah, buddy.
Hope that was the best sit. Camry, you ever ridden in?
Dude, I don't know, man. That's the first best one. But,
The old Camry.
yeah, baby.
But we still got to give Seth a rip in this car. Maybe tomorrow. He hasn't really felt the full wrath of Panzer
True
yet.
power, baby.
But yeah, that was a good ending. Got pulled over by a state trooper. 68 and a 55, just cruising through 6th gear. I don't like to bog this car because you guys know what happens when you bog a Subaru. So we do have to fix a little exhaust rattle. I'm not really sure what's going on. But yeah, making money in a car like this in DoorDash, especially in the city that we're in, not ideal. Not ideal. We probably went through 35, 40 bucks in fuel.
We're almost broke even.
Yeah, we pretty much broke even. I don't know. It's a good time either way.
Fuck yeah, bud.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Much love, bud.
And catch you maybe tomorrow.
Never.
Give you a little rip in this thing.
Dude, I'm fucking ready. I can't wait. I'm gonna be like, oh! My skull's gonna like be in the back. My brain's gonna be in the back of my skull, essentially.
yeah.
I fully expect that.
I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this little DoorDash video. And yeah, until then, peace out. See y'all later.